Well, looks like we got rain coming, so much for the grass going dormant. Yeah, it's pretty dark back there. Wind's kicking. Did cool off some. Well, morning all. Well, actually afternoon. I got a few things on my to-do list today. The first one is this trim is messed up, obviously, and when it rains I can get water down in there and mess up the workings of the window and stuff. So yeah, it's a pretty big job to change that trim, but what I found is some black duct tape and scissors, and it lasts about 3 months, 3 to 6 months. So I just peeled off the old because it was starting to roll. So yeah, let me finish this up real quick. All right, so that should keep the rain out. Boy, that's hot. But yeah, it lasts a little while. Cheap fix. Yeah, I went ahead and did this side also. Yeah, my tintings. Yeah, this Texas sun is just something else on vehicles. So we did get some rain yesterday, and I can still see moisture, and I really need to knock this down, but it's too wet for red, and it's a bit much to do with the weed whacker. So I guess I'm going to try to get this guy running. I cannot remember where I left off. It's been at least 2 years. He's been in storage, and he's been in here for quite a while. It does look, I was doing a gas tank swap, I believe. I don't know if I finished it or what. Don't really know. That's unhooked. So yeah, I need to get it running because I could use this evening to knock that one area down. So let me see what we can do with this. Just a little bit of history. I've had this thing probably 30 years now, if not longer. It's been through an engine swap. Obviously the engine is now backwards on it. Throttle cable and the kill switch are down here, which is fine for me. But yeah, I need to get it running, so let's see what happens. So apparently I did change the oil because it is super clean and right at the full mark, so don't have to worry about that. I got the linkage hooked up, and I see a little bit of gas in there, and it actually looks pretty clean. So we're going to add some gas and see if I can pump and get some squirt action going here. And we got fuel. I'm going to use the old electric start on it. All right, we added fuel, so let's see. Oh, I see it squirting. All right, we got fuel. All right, let's see what happens. Make sure I'm spinning the right way. I'll get a couple more pumps here. Yeah, I see it squirting good. Give it some throttle. Wanting to go. Well, we know we got spark. It smells flooded now. Which way's? Put it right in the middle. I'm spinning the right way. come on. Get her primed up. I ain't gonna let it run long until I get the shroud back on it. Uh-oh. We still may have an issue. I don't know. I can't remember if I changed the fuel tank and the carb or not. I may end up doing that if I can't get this going. I think I might have a problem with this. Yeah, I got a carb problem. I think I've got a new bulb I may throw on there. Well, I just came in and checked this. That bulb feels much better, much more pliable. So I did see a little bit of moisture when I was pumping the one outside, so I think I'm just going to do a tank swap and be done with it, hopefully. I think that's where I was at with it. All right, so I poured the gas out of this tank, but I was looking. Let me get in the sunlight here. Yeah, I see some rust down in there. I'm just going to rinse that out with the gas that I poured over here and just go with this for now. And if it don't work, then we'll probably have to do a carb swap. Now I put that gas in there and thought I'd go ahead and try this. I'm not getting any squirting action. Yeah. I'm gonna go see if I can find the bulb for that one. Well, I went ahead and pulled both bulbs, and honestly, they look okayish. I don't see any holes in them. This one wouldn't pump at all, so that carb may come off. That tank's awful dirty. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some carb cleaner, clean this up in here with some carb cleaner and a Q-tip, clean the bottom of the, both these feel the same. I can actually get that to suck on my finger, huh? Yeah, that one, yeah, they both feel about the same. So yeah, let me clean this one up again, because it sort of kind of ran with this one, and we'll try it again. All right, well, I think my problem may have been the snap ring. I don't think it was all the way in because it came off way too easy. So I've got it in there now. It's snapped in, so let's reinstall it and give her a try. All right, back together. I put fresh gas in it. I hear it pumping. And we got squirtage again. And it stopped. Nope, there it is. All right, we're gonna try spinning it. Don't know how long this battery's gonna hold up. Back to the way it was. Which way is throttle? That way? No, it's this way. I don't think. I think it's just running what's in the push bulb out. it may be time for a new push mower. I think I'm gonna give up on this one. It is old, worn out, and doesn't work. I did put fresh gas in it, but yeah, that's what came out. I think it's just sucking up moisture from the air. It's humid out here. Well, I'm basically down to 2 options to take care of that little mess right there. I get the weed whacker out this evening, or I use the kickback machine. This thing is just scary to operate. Don't know if that engine would fit on, because if I put a blade on it, then that would act as a counterbalance and I'd get back, it'd quit that kickback. So I don't know if I want to go that far.